Hi guys! Time to translate really quick. See where this energy is at. I'm gonna use our tarot deck and the traveling deck, and also our hourglass. So I need to let it refill to the other side really quick, and I'm gonna flip it over in the process. I'm gonna start with tarot. Knockity knock knock. What's going on? Put it right there. That seems to be important. This aspect. I said it's this aspect. Pain. You're in pain. But it's gonna lead to your happy ending. And you're in your power. You're in pain. This is gonna lead to your happy ending. And you're in your power. That's awesome. There must be some unpleasant lessons at the moment, because you're in your power and it's your happy ending. That's awesome. And it's your foundation. That's why you're in your power. It's your foundation. All your cups is lined up for your happy ending, which got you in your power. That's nice. That's super awesome. That's a card that came out of here too. Your shadow headed towards you also. The Knight of Wands came out. But you being in pain got a 3 on it, and you in your power got a 4 on it. It's evolving. It's lessons that you gotta learn. That's awesome. That's awesome. Whoa. The phone fell over. Don't pass out today, baby. Don't pass out today. It is hot today. I do feel that energy where a person can pass. Oh, Jesus, who's gonna pass out today? High Priestess came out using your intuition. You're definitely going to pass out. It might be part of the pain. You might really be in pain, like a sickness, ill. You're going to pass out. Be hydrated today. I even brought water today, honestly. Yeah, stay hydrated today. Oh my God. It's a balance. You're off balance. You're not using the water base. You might be on land base. Not understanding water base. Either or, I'm not sure which one. But I did mention water. The star card came out, which is giving a balance. You're not balanced. Alright, what else we got in here? You know what, actually your spouse heading towards you is your pain. It's all going together. That's intriguing. Your spouse headed to you energetically, shadow-wise, as I always explain. It's headed towards you, but it's connected with your pain. It's what's causing you pain. Which that could be the off-balance. Ay, ay, ay. Look, your foundation again. Your cup. Awesome. I knew that was foundation. And divine communication, which you are manifesting. And it's the balance. It's your happy ending. That's your cups lined up. The foundation actually came out. And that's the happy ending. That's so nice. Super nice. couple more cards and then we'll move over to our tarot deck. And you're working on something, which is definitely going with the pain you in. To the bottom of the deck. Seekers, you got seekers. Probably going with the star card. You're not balanced. You know you're missing something. I'm gonna say stay hydrated for sure. I feel the energy of somebody passing out for sure. That's the intriguing part. The temperance came out, yes. You're not balanced. And it's your foundation. It's not a... It's not a give and receive. It's only one cup pouring in the other cup. It's not the other cup pouring back into the other cup. It's off balance. As I was saying about the star card. It's a balance with the water and the land. You on either aspect, but you're not balanced in both aspects. Which will have you the guidance that you're supposed to have, a oneness. But it's a star card. And remember, stars be recognized at nighttime in dark situations. That's why you in your power. Alrighty. Yep, foundation, they're waiting. That's awesome. Alrighty, what we got on the Traveler deck?
New text message from Hello.
Hello, it's me. I don't know why this came across my head, that's funny. It's me.
You have 2 new text messages.
Putting others first. Let's go with the traveling energy. What's going on with you? That's what you're working on. You're working with others. Something you're working on. Flasher's prayer. Ay, ay, ay. Something's wrong. It's a caution light. Hello, God. Window of my heart. Something's not right in your foundation. You gotta pray about it. It's the balance. You're not balanced. It's like a car. When something's wrong with their car, usually they put these little flasher lights on so somebody behind them know something's wrong, or you do it if you're in the car. You want people to know something's wrong. It's that aspect of the energy. Something's wrong, but alrighty. God's special helpers. Alrighty, and at the bottom of that says you're special. So this is good energy, you guys, I would say. Even though you're in pain, this definitely feels like an eternal pain. It could be outer, but I feel like this is eternal pain. You're not balanced. And stay hydrated, because you do have a good chance of passing out. For sure. And it's because you're not hydrated. That's so intriguing. This movie I just was freaking watching. This lady, her battery was almost like, what is it called? They're better than us. Her battery was low. It's that same energy. You're not fully charged, you're not balanced. And you're gonna pass out, it's guaranteed. Ay, 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 Jesus Christ. I need another card for that. I want to leave it on that. But when you revive yourself, please make sure you stay hydrated. It's the only thing I can say, because it's going to happen. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Wheel of Fortune came out. Sorry, I had to bite my phone. It freaking fell over. But yeah. When you revive yourself, make sure you stay hydrated because you're not balanced. You might be doing too much, overworking yourself or something of that nature. Not honestly sure, but that's the energy. So remember, be kind. You are a reflection.